राधा
सर
राधा
define करें?
Snake virus is
सर
हाँ
wait
सर
करिए
define करें?
what are viruses?
सर एक सेकेंड वायरसेस आर सब माइक्रो ऑब्लिगेट पार्टिकल्स और सर उसमें viruses are non-vascular nucleoprotein and viruses are in variable shape and size. They contain DNA and RNA, but not in same. Or
The same virus does not have both the DNA and RNA. Rather, the virus has either DNA or RNA as their genetic material. ये दरअसल you are right. Just try to
do not
mention
make
some characters of the viruses, and there are various characters of viruses, in which one of the very important character is that virus can also multiply like other organisms. But viruses can multiply only within the host cell, not outside the living host cell. Virus can only multiply inside the living host cell. They cannot multiply outside the living host cell. And just
they remain inactive outside and get active inside the host.
yes, you are right. And one of the very important character you have pointed, that virus has either DNA or RNA as the genetic material. Virus, the same virus does not have both the DNA and RNA as the genetic material. Rather, either DNA or RNA is present in a particular virus. अब तुम राधा let me some examples of RNA virus. राधा,
Yes sir.
राधा, आप हमको बताइए कुछ ऐसा वायरस जिसमें आरएनए होता है, डीएनए नहीं. आरएनए उसका जीनोम होता है. बताओ क्या. पिंकी तुम बताओ.
सर टोबैको मोज़ेक वायरस उसका जेनेटिक मटेरियल स्टैंडर्ड आरएनए होता है.
यस, यू आर राइट. टीएमवी का टोबैको मोज़ेक वायरस का जेनेटिक मटेरियल टोबैको मोज़ेक है आरएनए एज देयर जेनेटिक में, आरएनए एज इट्स जेनेटिक मटेरियल. यू आर राइट. एंड ये राधा, ये टेल मी any example of virus which has DNA as their genome, DNA as the genetic material. बताइए. I have already taught you. पढ़ा चुके हैं आप.
यस सर पढ़ाया गया है सर.
बताओ.
ये बैक्टीरियोफेज वायरस इसका होता है डबल स्टैंड आरएनए मटेरियल. सर बैक्टीरियोफेज में डबल स्टैंडर्ड सही बोल रही है.
Yes, T4 bacteriophage. Yes, you are right. T4 bacteriophage. T4, you have to study the structure and multiplication of T4 phage. So I have already taught you the T4 bacteriophage. I have already taught you. Ajay, let me know which virus was first reported. Which virus was first?
Yes, yellow fever. Sir,
MV virus sir.
सर येलो फीवर वायरस है. येलो सर.
No, tobacco mosaic virus has the credit of being the first virus to be discovered. Or who for the first time discovered tobacco mosaic virus, Daraksana?
ये when सिर्फ का नाम है in 1891, इतना याद मुझे उसका नाम.
Scientist name?
Scientist name मुझे थोड़ा सा V से W से कुछ नहीं सर.
Ivanovsky ने किया था. Ivanovsky ने किया. Which disease is caused by TMV? Which disease is caused by TMV in the tobacco plant? What is the name of the disease caused by the TMV in the tobacco plant?
Tobacco mosaic disease.
Yes, you are right. Tobacco mosaic disease. Tobacco mosaic disease in the tobacco plant is caused by TMV. Tobacco mosaic disease is caused by the tobacco mosaic virus. And
Yes.
who for the first time crystallized TMV? किस साइंटिस्ट ने सबसे पहले वायरस को TMV वायरस को क्रिस्टलाइज किया था? And he was awarded the Nobel Prize for that work. What was ये क्वेश्चन ऑब्जेक्टिव में मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन में आता है, पूछा जाता है. This question has been asked several times in your in the multiple choice question. Who for the first time crystallized TMV? What was the name of the scientist?
नेम नहीं याद.
नहीं याद है सर.
W.M. Stanley. I have already taught you. W.M. Stanley, 1935. 1935. और सबसे पहले W.M. Stanley was the first person.
क्या नाम बताएं? क्रिस्टलाइज में
W.M. Stanley. It was W.M. Stanley who for the first time crystallized tobacco mosaic virus, and for this it was awarded Nobel Prize. What are the symptoms? Alexa, what are the symptoms of the tobacco mosaic disease of the tobacco plant? What are the symptoms?
सर उसके लीफ में
सर उसके लीफ पे इन्फेक्शन कर लीफ पे होता है. टोबैको का जो प्लांट होता है ना उसके लीफ पे
होता है. Most the symptoms appear mostly on the leaf of the tobacco plant. So what type of symptoms? What types of the symptom appears on the leaf? What types of symptoms appear on the leaf of the tobacco plant?
मतलब ब्राउन कलर का उसके ऊपर कुछ.
No brown color. No brown color. Appearance of, be attentive and listen. The appearance of green and yellow patches. Appearance of green and yellow patches on the surface of leaf of the infected plant of the tobacco takes place, and due to appearance of green and yellow patches on the surface of the leaves, mosaic like pattern appears. You know that mosaic like. Why the term mosaic? Why the name of this disease is the tobacco mosaic disease? Because there is appearance of green and yellowish patches on the surface of the leaf. Therefore, and the presence of green and yellow patches gives the appearance of mosaic-like pattern on the surface of leaf, which signifies the name of this disease, tobacco mosaic disease. Why? What is the reason behind the appearance of green spot on the leaf? Green. Why does the green spot appear on the surface of leaf in this disease? Why does the appearance of green patches on the leaf take place? Due to chlorosis. Due to chlorosis, disappearance of chlorophyll. जब अगर क्लोरोफिल नहीं रहेगा लीफ में, तो the part of the leaf in which there is loss of the chlorophyll, what will happen? There will be appearance of yellow spot on the leaf. So your answer should be yes, yellowing of leaves takes place due to the disappearance of the chlorophyll from that part of the leaf. And when the tobacco plant gets infected by this TMV, and the disappearance of loss of takes place from the different parts of the leaf. And this way, appearance of yellow and on the leaf, which gives the appearance of the pattern. Tobacco mosaic disease.
सर साउंड नहीं आ रहा आपका. कुछ सुनाइए.
साउंड जाएगा. तो मेरा ऑडियो ओपन है भाई. मेरा ऑडियो ओपन है भाई.
सर क्लियर साउंड नहीं आ रहा.
कोई अपना ऑडियो 2 मिनट के लिए बंद करो. फिर
mute your audio so that you can listen very so that my so that
Mute
I,
करो सब audio.
so that you can listen. Mute your audio so that you can clearly listen what is being taught. Just today's topic, I have already taught you, Daraksa, I have already taught you two diseases from the group B of the paper 2. One of them was the little leaf of brinjal, because I taught you mycoplasma and the disease caused by mycoplasma in plant, little leaf of brinjal. The second disease I taught from the group in the group B of plant pathology was the citrus canker, which was taught in the last lecture, which was taught in the previous lecture. Today I have taken up the tobacco mosaic disease. This is also included in your syllabus of the plant pathology, tobacco mosaic disease. Since you have already studied the tobacco mosaic virus, structure and replication, structure and multiplication of tobacco mosaic virus, structure and replication of the bacteriophages, therefore it is very easy. You have not to make any special effort to study the tobacco mosaic disease caused in the tobacco plant, because you have already studied the tobacco mosaic virus. You know the structure and multiplication of the tobacco mosaic virus. Then it is very easy to study the tobacco mosaic disease. And you have to you know that if any disease is asked in your examination, if any plant disease is asked in your examination to write, you must write the symptoms. You must write the symptoms, etiology, disease development, and control of the disease.